Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. This is part 4 of the Diode Dynamics performance lighting technology. I wasn't planning on making this video, but I thought I made myself clear on all the connections, but apparently someone put a message down below and said, you didn't even show where to plug it in. I thought I made all my connections clear. The front bumper is off the car, and the big plug is where it plugs into. Anyway, we'll go into that later. But if you have any problems with my videos, just comment down below, and if I didn't make them clear enough, I will make you personally a video for you. And if you don't understand it, a lot of people don't understand that these videos take a lot of time to make. On the last video, on part 3, it might have took close to an hour to shoot that video. And then it may take another 5 hours of editing it down to 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. Taking out all the highlights out of the video. So, and then you add your music, you add your fades and your other editing parts of it. But yeah, it takes a lot of time to do these videos. You didn't even show where to plug it in. Then he goes on to say, such a useless video. You didn't get nothing out of it? I do these videos to help people out. I don't have to do them. I think on this Diode Dynamics performance lighting technology is one of the most step-by-step. Even the manufacturer don't even go as far as I have on how to step-by-step how to do these videos. Even the manufacturer just shows how to put them into take these out and put the new ones in. I mean, it's like a 2-minute video. I go step-by-step on each step. Well, I told you in the last video, a lot of people have problems with the wiring part of it. These right here come in the kit. They snap around your wire. Here's your wire here. And they snap around the wire, and you push them down where they snap. Then you got this piece here, a little blade that sticks in the side here, and that's what makes your connection. And that's like a T connector. But that's the kit that they provide for you. Although I didn't get this part right here, the little spade part, I got these part right here, the part that you clamp around the wiring. But if you have any problem with my videos, please comment down below, and I will make a video just for you if I didn't make it clear enough. So I tried to do my best. I mean, I don't make a dime on these videos, and I probably never will. I'm not saying I never will, but on YouTube, your first 100 subscribers is the hardest one to get. And this morning, I'm up to 98. So I thank each and every one of you. So if you're not a subscriber, click subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notifications when a new video comes up. So you'll know when it's amazing, I put videos on here and I've got 98 subscribers and I might get 4 to 5 views. And I know who you are, by the way. A lot of my family, they watch it, and my neighbors. And of course Pete over on the Camaro Time channel. He always watches it every week. But Like I say, if you have any problems with my videos, just comment down below and tell me what I should have done better. I mean, I like people to let me know what I did right, what I didn't do right. So I thought I made this video clear on number 3, but we'll just go into number 4 and I'll go step by step again and I'll show the actual connections. I kind of rushed last week's video because I wanted to get it. I was already running 2 or 3 days behind, so I wanted to get it. It takes so much time editing all this, but this video I may not even put music in it. I may just get it on there and be done with it. But it takes a lot of time to do these videos, and I don't mind doing them. I enjoy doing them, but as a very small channel, when these comments like this, what a useless video. I mean, I'm a very small channel. This is such a useless video. Less than 100 subscribers. I mean, if I had 4,000 to 5,000 subscribers, I would still address that particular person's needs. If they wanted me to make a video, I would. But put in the comments, I may give a comment back, you know, help them out. I mean, I make these videos to help out the younger generation. I mean, I've been working on cars and painting cars for many, many years. I'm not going to give out my age, but anyway, I'm getting close to the 60 mark. But I've been working on cars for many years, and I don't mind helping the younger generation as long as they appreciate it. I mean, if I spend 4 to 5 hours editing a video, an hour to shoot it, you can at least spend 2 seconds of putting a like button on it. I mean, that would be nice. I mean, the more you like on the video, the more YouTube will promote that video, and it helps the channel out. So I appreciate you putting a like on if it helps you out at all. So let's go here to the car and I'll show you the connections, show you step by step on how to connect it. Okay, this right here is the short plug that I talked about you need to get on eBay. But if you're not going to use it, let me grab this light here. This little short plug right here, this piece right here, this is what I'm tying into. See my splice connection right here? This is the part that comes with the kit. Okay, I've got it connected onto the green wire. See the green wire inside there? And you also have a green wire over here on the other side. And these white wires are also hot. So you can plug into the whites or the greens on either side. You'll be fine. But I've already got that snapped on there. This is what they look like. They just snap together. And your wire goes down inside there. And then you put your spade part right inside of it. I put a little bit longer wire on here because whenever I get this jumper here on there, then it makes it a little bit longer. I just want to make sure I had it long enough. Okay, if you're not going to use this jumper part right here, then you will connect, you got 2 black wires on the bottom down here. Okay, your 2 top wires are hot. You got a purple wire, and it looks like a brown wire with a white stripe on it. That's also hot. You can tap into either one of them if you're not going to use the jumper here. But I thought this jumper here would have your lights on even without turning on your parking lights. But apparently you still have to You still have to turn that on in order for the halo headlights to come on. So it didn't do exactly what I was wanting to. But anyway, we'll make the connection here. This is coming out of your Bluetooth controller right here. And it's mounted right here, behind the horn. Okay, in the last video we took the ground wire. We took the bolt out of it, 10mm bolt. And we attached the ground wire to the back of the horn here. Took the bolt out. Okay, on your positive wire. Now we'll connect it into here. Okay, this is a hot wire, so we will tape that. We don't want that rubbing against anything that's metal and shorting anything out. And it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to put tape around that. But anyway. And then we'll go over here to the bumper. He was saying something about you didn't show where to plug it in at. I don't know if he was talking about this piece or this piece. So we'll make it all clear today and we'll get everything squared away. So we'll go over here to the bumper. It's laying over here on the floor. This is the bumper that's off the car right now. This is laying over here on the floor. This right here is your running lights. This is on the back side of the bumper. This here is your other connector right here. Okay, here's your side marker lights. Maybe you can see that. That's your side marker lights. This is your running lights, and this is your headlights up here. This is where your turn signals are. This is on the back side of the bumper. So this right here plugs into this right here. This is where the bumper connects to. So I don't know how to make it any more clear than that. This part right here plugs into the bumper. This is the Bluetooth controller mounted behind the horn. And like I say, the ground wire is mounted on the horn itself. Power wire coming over here to your T connector here. That's on the green wire. This plugs into the bumper. Also, your wiring that goes from one headlight to another, run it through the bumper here. Make sure you get some of this, I'm not sure what they call it, the wiring cover that protects your wiring so you won't have any sharp edges that'll rub and cause a short. We'll get some black tape on this and get it finished up. Okay, here's your connector for your Bluetooth controller. I got everything all taped up now. There's your connections. So I think it's best to connect into this short piece right here. That way you're not actually connecting into your own car wiring. But if you need to, that'd be fine. But keep in mind your two black wires on your car wiring is on the bottom, and your two tops are hot. So tap into either one of these for your halo headlights. So I hope this clears everything up. Okay, thanks for watching.